Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing this easy to do flat twist without actually knowing how to do a flat twist. Yes, we're going to be using the needle and thread, a needle and a yarn thread method. Alright, if you're in for that, then keep on watching. You're going to need one of these yarn needles. They're very blunt, so it's not going to hurt you, and there's actually plastic. And then you're going to get some yarn. So today I'm using the traditional yarn, which you can get from a craft store. Looks like this, and then I literally just doubled, guessed the length that I would need. Gonna loop that, so I'm just gonna do 1, 2, simple and easy. Alright, so the trick to having nice straight lines is using preferably one with a metal end, and just go slowly and try not to move your hands as you go down. Okay, so this is a gel, and the reason I'm doing it is because I'm doing two big flat twists, and my hair has flyaways, so that's why I'm putting on the edges. If you don't have that problem, you actually don't need to put the gel in. It will give you that shiny look. If that's what you want, then go for it. If you don't like that, you can skip on it.
Alright, so you're just going to put your yarn needle through your hair and pull it all the way through. You want to have about 6 to 5 inches of yarn left over. I'm just going to put that with the rest of your hair. Ideally, you want to hide that in between your hair. You'll see at the end why you need to do that. I didn't do that right now. And then you see it poking out at the end. But anyways, so then I'm just putting another loop. I am not putting a knot on the loop or anything. I'm just going straight through again. So this by itself will secure my yarn, so I don't need to kind of make a knot or anything like that. So you're just going through across and then across and across. Okay, alright, sorry, doing that again. So just gonna take your hair, holding your hair back helps, so it's out of the way, and then just putting your needle through your hair, and that's all you're doing. And make sure you don't pull it way too tight, just pull it where the hair is secure, but it's not like ripping your hair out, so you don't have too much tension. And again, I'm just putting it through from one side to the other, and try and have the same amount of space if possible between each one, so it sort of makes the flat twist look a bit more uniform. Again, doing it on yourself, that may not be quite possible because it's a bit hard to see what you're doing, but if you just try to do that, it all kind of flows and it looks fine when you're done anyways. So yeah, so I hope you can see what I am doing. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But all I am doing is holding my hair back, and then I am just putting the needle through from one end to the other, and I'm doing that over and over repeatedly. So that's all I did, and then I just cut my yarn needle out, and then I wrapped the rest of the yarn. So I cut that out. And then I just wrap the rest of that yarn around my hair to almost make like a ponytail. And I literally just wrapped it around. I didn't do a knot or anything like that. You can cut yours and just maybe use a hairband if you wanted to instead. This just made sense to me, I guess, at the point. Alright, so one side is done. Moving on to the next one. I'm starting again with my Shine and Jam, and then I'm getting my thread on my yarn. You want your yarn to be long enough, but maybe not too long. I would say between 17 to maybe like 25 inches would be a good guess. But it's better too long so you don't run out and have to, you know, get some more yarn. Alright, so we're going to put it through the hair. And then hold about 6 inches with the rest of your hair, and make sure you wrap your hair around that yarn so you don't see it. And then just go again through your hair across the other side. So again, push it through, pull it, and that's all we're doing. And trying to keep the same distance between each time you put the needle through your hair. My gel is looking white. I think that's just the lighting, because it didn't look white when I was done. So I think it's the lighting that's making it look funny like that. Alright, so I was done, and then all I did was I just tucked my hair underneath. And then I used a pin to pin it down. If you've got like a ponytail piece, you can put a ponytail piece on it, or you can braid it. You can do whatever you want with your ends.
And that's how you do a flat twist, easy flat twist, without actually knowing how to do a flat twist. The needle and yarn thread method is like a great beginner friendly style or method to use if you don't know how to do a flat twist. If you also want to do like cornrows and you can't do it, there's actually a way to do it as well using this yarn needle method, and I've got a video on that, so I'll put a link up above. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever seen the style? Have you tried the style? Will you be trying this style? Let me know in the comments down below. If you're doing it on yourself, it's definitely going to be a little bit more tricky than if you're doing it on someone else. So it's great to do it on someone else. It is very, very beginner friendly. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. Also give me a like so YouTube can know that this is great content and share it with the world. All right, till my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.